If you need a hint, just ask me.
Give me a hint.
In the chill-out zone there are some giant mushrooms. The zone has a vibe like a magical wonderland. But make sure that you check that part of the office for the box of pears. Great. Now you found the box of pears. Have you been to our canteen yet? It's very cozy.
Can we go there?
Well, I'd be happy to show you around. To get there you need to go to the corridor through the main door. We can go there for a quick break if you want. If you want I can teleport you there, just say teleport. If you
Teleport.
don't want to, let's switch to a different topic.
Teleport.
Okay, here we are. I love this place, it really shows you how modern our company is. Check that view outside of the windows. Isn't it great?
Is the box here?
You are going to have to do some serious detective work. Yep, that means you Sherlock. Keep searching in between those desks. Woohoo, you found the box of oranges.
Where the next box is.
I think you may find the box of mangoes near the reception desk. Reception is near the main doors. Can you see the robot working over there? The robot with one eye? That's the reception desk. Okay, Sherlock.
Turn off the application.
Are you sure that the experience should be turned off?
Yes.
It's been a pleasure meeting you. I hope we bump into each other again. Bye.